Let's make breakfast over a campfire.
Little Fire Maple flat pack wood stove. Feed the fire a little bit. Topping it off with some cheddar. Frank's Red Hot. A little bit of hot chocolate, and then 2 packs of Starbucks Instant. All right. Cheers. Stop watching me eat.